In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make easy standard operating procedures, or SOPs, in Asana. Asana is a powerful tool that can streamline your team's workflow, and creating SOPs within it can help ensure consistent and effective operations across your organization. Let's get started. First, log into your Asana account. Once you're in, navigate over to create a new project by clicking on the plus new project button and select blank project. Naming your project something intuitive like Team SOPs or Operations Playbook can keep it clear and aligned with its purpose. When prompted, choose the list view for a detailed, structured outline, or go with board view if you prefer organizing by categories. This project will serve as your central hub for all SOPs, keeping everything in one accessible place. Organizing your SOPs is crucial for easy navigation. Within your project, create sections if you opted for list view or columns if you're using board view. Consider categories like marketing SOPs, sales SOPs, HR and onboarding, and IT and support. Each task within these sections or columns will correspond to a single SOP, ensuring clarity and order. As you write your SOPs, create a task for each one. For example, you might have a task called How to Onboard a New Employee. Within the task's description, outline the steps clearly, include the purpose of the SOP, the tools needed to execute it, a step-by-step rundown, and link any useful resources such as Google Docs, PDFs, or instructional videos. If an SOP includes multiple steps managed by different individuals, add subtasks to break down responsibilities. This structure not only ensures that tasks are aligned with SOPs, but also allows for detailed step-by-step execution. To make frequently used SOPs more accessible, consider turning them into templates. If an SOP will be executed often, creating it as a task template can save time. You can add subtasks, due dates, and assign specific team members to keep everything organized and ready for duplication whenever needed. Custom fields can enhance clarity and usability. Add fields that specify the department, priority level, review frequency, whether monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and who is responsible for updates. This customization helps you filter and sort SOPs efficiently, ensuring the right person knows when and what to update. For further efficiency, leverage Asana's rules feature to make SOPs actionable. Navigate to customize and select rules to set up automations. For example, you can create an automation that assigns a task to a manager when the SOP is marked ready for review, or moves it to the review section when the status changes to needs update. The strategic use of rules helps keep SOPs updated and well maintained. Finally, ensure your team is on board by adding all members as collaborators to your SOP project. This gives them access to the procedures at any time. You can embed critical SOPs to the project overview, quick reference, and use comment threads for team questions and clarifications, facilitating a collaborative environment. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have a well-organized, efficient set of SOPs in Asana that can greatly enhance your team's productivity. Thanks for watching and happy SOP.